How to find someone in Telegram with or without phone number. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Telegram account. On Telegram, go to Contact tabs and tap on the plus button available at the top right corner of your screen. After that, enter their phone number and tap create. If they are registered on Telegram with that number, they will be added to your Telegram contacts and you can start a conversation instantly. If they aren't on Telegram yet, it also encourages you to invite them to join. Now the other one is search their username. Tap the search bar or the magnifying glass button on Telegram. Type the person's username into the search bar. Telegram will display matching profiles as you type. You can also tap show more to look for the correct individual in the search results. Once you find the right person, you can start a conversation and add him or her to Telegram contacts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.